Let's build a really simple CRM based on tasks and Airtable. You could do this with any database, Postgres, Azure, MySQL. I'm going to use Airtable because it lets us see our data right on our demo screen. So as you can see, I have a list of companies. These are deals that are in progress in our pipeline. Each has a value, a stage, an owner, and for those that were lost, we have a reason. Here's what our task looks like. The important part is down here. We have this main dispatcher method called CRM, and it has different modes. It is a show mode, an open mode, pitched, won, and lost for updating existing deals. These are the actions that I can take on the deals, and we're going to expose these in a chat so that someone on a sales team can interact with them using a chat. So I've mounted this tool on an MCP server using ISLE, and I've configured it in a Claude project. So in this project, I can actually just start interacting with this tool by chatting with natural language. I can say, what's in my CRM? It's going to access my server, it's going to pull the tools, and it's going to query it for the data. All right, here it is. So this should match the data that we saw in the Airtable. Let's go ahead and create a new deal. I want to create a new deal. The company is Alliant. It's 42K, and Marcus is the owner. So it's going to access my tools, and it's going to call that open tool to create a new row in our Airtable. Let's go back and check our Airtable. Indeed, here is that Alliant row, Marcus 42,000. It's initialized into the lead state. Okay. So let's update it and say, actually, that deal has been pitched. So again, it's going to call my tool. It's now pitched. Again, if we snap back to our Airtable, it is pitched. So let's say, unfortunately, Marcus lost the deal because he was late from lunch. So it understands that it's going to write to our Airtable, and it confirms, and we say, yes, that is the reason. Recorded. Again, let's check our Airtable. There it is. Market was late from lunch. So this basically lets us give the users access to this database to make changes to it, but in a safe way. We're not giving them carte blanche access to the table. They can't come in and just edit anything. They must use the tools, and those tools we're exposing, in this case, in a Claude chat. You could also use these tools from projects within ISLE. You could use this in ChatGPT. Because they're published or exposed on an MCP server, you could even bring them into Claude Code and use them locally.